Hello, people. I am playing Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location
with her cousin Kylie. Subscribe to me, Kylie Sisters. We'll leave it in the description below.
And obviously this is my channel. Why is it so glitchy? Anyway, it won't be there. So yeah, I already did the first night, and it was pretty easy. You just do your nightly chores, which is check on Laura, and make sure that she's on her stage, and get that squishy out of here. And you check on Fun Time Poxy, making sure she's doing what she's supposed to. And then you go to Circus Baby's Auditorium.
Then I have a lot of squishies.
Let's
I got this one, this one.
Can I see the screen too?
Huh?
Can I see the screen too?
Yeah.
You let the other children go see her. Why won't you let me go?
Because it's a murderous creature.
Robot creature thing.
Yeah. My poop. I poop
Welcome
yellow
back
and
for
pink.
another night of intellectual stimulation, pivotal career choices, and
So
self-reflection
that's
on
Baby
past
right
mistakes.
there, if you don't know
We're committed
this.
to
And
creating
then
a unique
there's
and fulfilling work
Ballora.
experience.
Oh, show them about the
One part of
Ballora
that
thing that we
commitment is
found.
ensuring that you don't get
Ballora
tired of the
thing.
voice
The
that you're
one
hearing
right
right
there.
now. Using
It's
the
a
keypad
reflection.
below, please select a new companion voice.
I always thought it was
Teen.
actually
That you had
Ballora.
some trouble
Just
with
like
the keypad.
coming
I see what you were
down,
trying to
like
type, and I will autocorrect it for you.
That's what I always
Thank you
thought.
for choosing
Actually.
Angsty Teen.
Would you stop talking so much? Okay, so that, if you click this button right here on this thing, I never liked that noise. It makes that noise. I like to make beats out of it. And then there's these buttons over here. No clue what they're for, but I like the noise too.
Oh, the keypad too.
Oh yeah,
She knows the code.
it's
Nice.
1987.
Yeah, if you type
The Bite of 87. If you know what that is, the Bite of 87 is when William Afton's son got thrown into an animatronic, and it was a Springtrap one, and it was I'm pretty sure it was Golden Freddy.
No, Golden
and
Bonnie.
no,
Stay
it was
here
Freddy.
if you want.
It was Golden Freddy.
No, because he had.
Oh my God.
Didn't have a hat. He didn't have a hat.
Ugh. It was Golden Freddy. I remember very specifically. And the child was at his birthday party and got thrown into Golden Freddy's mouth, and it was a spring lock suit, so it failed and kind of bit him, and his frontal lobe was injured.
And then he had to go to recovery, and you can see that in.
You should go watch Game Theory, because I am not good at
theories.
No, I'm just not good at explaining things. So go to Game Theory and watch the video.
Yeah,
I'll link it in the description down below.
And I'm gonna teach you how to link stuff.
Okay, so this is a red button that you use to open the door. And in the first night on Sister Location, it says the voice in the background says,
press the red and obvious button to open the door.
Press the red button that is very obvious.
It's hilarious. My head isn't in there. But as you can see, guys, I am a fan of Unicorn Life.
So,
huge
funny
fan.
story.
Good.
A dead body was found in this vent once.
She's not a fan of me,
Okay,
but
so
still.
not that
I'm
funny.
a unicorn.
Story.
She's not. Show them the unicorn squishy.
Oh, I'm not sure where that went.
I think it's up there. Oh, ha! That was.
This is my squishy. It's a unicorn.
Yeah, but
as you know, I have a thing for unicorns.
yeah,
If you are new,
here's my donut.
Subscribe to my channel.
My little strawberry.
Look at my phone
My
case.
poop emoji.
This is my phone case. I am not even close to the camera. It's a unicorn in space.
Here's a
All right,
penguin.
anyway, we need to get back to the game.
Oh, and here's my jumbo.
Okay,
ice
we are
cream.
in a vent, and I'm pretty sure that anybody watching this knows what this is, so.
A vent is something that people definitely don't crawl in.
I mean, people have crawled in vents. It's just not very
Like
smart.
They could fall out of the sky.
Okay, let's start with your
Roof,
nightly chores.
Something.
You should check on Ballora.
Alright, so
and
these
make
are
sure
the
she's on
nightly
her
chores.
stage, but whatever.
This is Ballora's gallery, and that's the vent to go and crawl through to get to Funtime Freddy.
Alright, kid, be good. I'll be right back.
Okay.
And
Alright, so
this is
there's
really
Ballora
cool.
not being... She's
I guess
being
Ballora
naughty.
has better things to do.
No,
What's that?
Ballora has nothing better to
That should be
do.
fun.
And this is hers. It smells delicious.
It smells like raspberries.
I don't think
Alright,
they
now I
can-
have to do a controlled shot. If you would like to smell it, just put your face up to the camera. See, it smells like raspberries. I'm so cringy.
Bruh.
You want to see something? Never do that, please.
You
Don't.
do it.
That's because I'm me. I have a thing of shark teeth. Yeah,
And she
I'm
has
so
this
cringy.
really
Let's
cool
check on Funtime
drone.
Foxy.
It's in
Make sure
my
he's
face.
ready for showtime tomorrow.
And this is a really cool controller.
Okay,
It literally
check on
opens.
Foxy. Okay, you don't need to show them my entire room.
Great,
Here's the entire room.
great, great.
That's
I have a
JJ.
Tamagotchi.
There seems to have been a problem
JJ
with the
popped
voice
up if you can
synthesizer.
see that.
Default settings have been
I haven't
restored.
even
Please proceed through the vent
done
ahead of
that
you
yet.
to Circus Baby's auditorium.
Interesting. They didn't make me zap her. Zapping them makes them very angry. And Dancy Pants over there doesn't like to be zapped. And
No, she hates it.
later in the video, I'll have to be crawling through Ballora Gallery. And first of all, it sucks. And
She made it when she was on my before she had a computer. She didn't have it back then.
but back then, I mean 2 weeks ago.
Yeah. And this is very.
Okay, you don't need to show them your entire squishy collection. I don't think they care.
Circus Baby had a
And plus,
busy
it's
day
my
today.
YouTube channel. If you
Let's
want to go
check
show
wanna
your
know-
make
people
sure she's in
squishies,
proper
then
working order.
Want to know?
Go
Want
do
to know
that.
something funny though about like the squishy you gave me for Christmas? It's that. So I brought my squishy over to my mom's house. My sister was there. She thought the strawberry was real. She took a bite out of it. So now the strawberries in
Look at this is what
garbage.
that is. Focus, 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 focus. There.
Your
I-
phone turned off perfectly timed. We're so
Oh,
cringy.
Circus Baby, we aren't here to play hide and seek. Let's encourage
You're
Baby to
terrible
come out
at
of hiding
trying to
with a
be-
controlled shock.
What is that thing called? Like when you're trying to like.
And if you guys want me to, I will do singing videos and
Yes.
makeup tutorials, maybe, if I'm good at it.
You are great at doing makeup. You know this. And there's a webcam. Oh, and the Screencast-O-Matic thing in the description. You can do screen recording and
I'm
comes-
Superman.
and that's what we
I'm
use
just
for
kidding.
this. And it's really cool. You can do webcam.
Let me know in the
things. It's really
comments if I am super bad at this or just really cringy. Uh-oh, it won't work. That's never
Let's try
good.
another controlled
Look.
shock.
cool. Look,
Hello, baby, and JJ. Or
JJ's hanging.
yeah, he deserves
Who's
that.
that?
I don't know. Wait, no, that's not JJ. That's Balloon Boy.
No, that's
Duh.
JJ. JJ has that kind of hat on, so it's JJ. JJ is in a different sister location. Did you know that Balloon Boy and JJ are both
There
girls?
seems to be a power malfunction that is affecting
I
our
hate
ability
this
to properly
part.
move
I
the
suck
baby.
at this.
Please
Balloon
stand
Boy
by
and
while I reboot the
The
system.
Balloon Boy isn't
I
even
will
a
be
boy,
offline
actually.
momentarily during
Did you
this
know that?
process.
Because he is
Various
in a
other
sister
systems
location,
may be
but it's
offline
not
as
in.
well,
It's
such
a.
as
It's not
security
in the game.
doors, vent
It's just in the
locks, and
backstory.
oxygen.
Let me know if you guys want to see
Commencing
me do
system
more
restart.
cringy videos on FNAF. Uh-oh, bad part, bad part.
And
Baby's gonna start
we're
talking.
thinking-
How about you just shut up?
Motion trigger. Entryway vent. Funtime Auditorium maintenance vent
Vent
opened.
opened. I hear things.
Ballora Gallery maintenance vent opened.
They can't fit through there. Only the mini arenas can fit through there. Because Ballora cannot fit through there.
She could. Have you seen her bend
I
like
don't
she's a
recognize
freaking
you.
pretzel?
You are new. I remember this
I hear people coming.
scenario. However, It's a strange thing to want to do, to
come
come
here.
here. I'm curious.
I've played this
what
game like
events
4
would
times.
lead a
Yeah,
person
Hey,
to
All they can see is your
spend their
unicorn
night
face.
in a place like this.
Look down.
Willingly. Maybe curiosity.
I'm a
maybe
unicorn.
ignorance. There's a
Yay!
space under the desk. Someone before you crafted it into a hiding
You're the
place,
one that's good
and
at this
it worked
part.
for him.
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
I
you are.
recommend that you
When I
hurry
did it
up.
like 8,000 times, you were the one who made it.
But I'm not allowed to use
Just
a computer,
try not to
remember?
make eye contact.
I
will
won't
be
tell
over
her.
soon.
You don't.
I will lose
Wait.
interest.
Let's see if I can do it the first time, and if not, then.
Then I'll do it.
Oh, by the way, I'm using my computer, so if the
Oh, we
quality
can only
is
do
super
we can
bad-
only do it to 15, by the way, and it's already 10 minutes, so we're gonna have to do a part 2.
There will be a part 2. I'm letting you know now.
Probably more than that.
For just like one night.
Part 2 for one night. Cool. Just stay over there in that corner.
I know how to do it.
I'm really good.
There's Bitty Bab and Electro Bab.
Just
I'm gonna pick up a crowbar and hit my.
no, shh, shh, shh.
Ah, don't make it so.
No, we have to make sure. Shh.
What's that noise?
That was not there before.
Someone is inside. Is it the same person?
There's other noises that we've never heard before.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. Guys, this is getting kind of weird. They're hitting holes into it.
Huh?
They're hitting more holes into it.
No, they're just tapping it. What is that groaning noise? It sounds like a mob from in. No. I said no, ma'am.
Just until she, like... Yeah, good
I'm
job.
doing it.
Yeah, you're doing great.
Thank you.
You're doing great. We're doing better.
What is that ringing noise? It's hurting my ears.
No, you didn't.
I bet you I'm gonna lose.
Maybe. You're dead. I made the combo.
No, I'm not. I did it first try.
Don't stare.
I did it first try for the first time ever. It's kind of sad.
You did it.
When your guide comes back online, he is going to tell you that he was unsuccessful. That you must restart the system manually.
I have to
He will
fix
then
this
tell
cushy.
you to crawl through
Because
the
it's
Laura
cracked on the
Gallery
ears,
as fast as you can to reach the breaker room. If you follow his instructions,
You will die.
you will die. Laura will not return to her stage anymore. She will catch you. The power will be restored shortly. When you crawl through Ballora Gallery, go slowly. She cannot see you, and can only listen for your movement. When you hear her music become louder, she is growing near, listening for you. Wait, and be still.
Why should we listen to
Thank
you?
for your patience.
baby.
Actually,
It seems that the power
if
system
you've never
cannot be
played this
restarted
before,
automatically. You will
I've
need to
actually
restart the power
listened to
system
her,
manually.
and
Please
I've
return
lived.
to the primary
So I would
control
listen to
module.
Baby, even though she's like one of those bad guys. She's actually not a bad guy, because if
She's
you
trying to
watch
help
her, if you watch her backstory, she's actually trying to be a good person.
Just like
Because-
Springtrap and Delilah and Springtrap.
You mean Springtrap and Delilah?
Yeah, we'll leave that and also in the description. What did we say we'd leave in the description? We'll
Springtrap.
rewatch it. We'll rewatch.
Springtrap.
Oh, wait, we have to go. Part 2 is coming soon.
No, it hasn't stopped.
It will soon. And in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Motion trigger. Surface
5,
gallery vent.
4, 3,